Absolutely awesome. Here we are, another wonderful video. And I have some new parts in from the truck. This brand new Flowmaster Delta Force performance intake arrived yesterday. So I haven't opened it yet. Let's cut it open and see what it's like. Probably one of the most satisfying things that you can do is cutting it open. Should be good now. Oh, yeah. A bunch of packing stuff. Awesome. So, bunch of stuff here. It's nice. Rubber clamp, well, not clamp, but rubber piece to go around that. This is one of the reasons I ordered the Flowmaster one, is because this is by far one of, pull it over the plastic here, if I can. This is definitely one of the nicer intake tubes that I have seen. Absolutely beautiful. Nice on the inside, fairly low flow restriction. Got a bunch of the hardware and stuff for it. Clamps and whatnot. All stainless, super nice stuff. Here, this is my favorite thing. Let's go over here and set this on the floor. This is the air dam, so intake tube will come in here and your cone will sit here, and I don't remember which way this is orientated. Yeah, it's orientated this way. So this is up against the box here. And this is all nice and heavy steel, nice black powder coat. Super nice. And then in this box here, it's all hard to do with hand, of course. In this box here is the lovely classic red Flowmaster cone. So, probably can't see it there, but put this under the packaging. Super nice red cone, really nice Flowmaster right there on the end. Just by feeling it, it doesn't feel like it gets oiled in this one, so I may have to oil it, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll read the instructions. But I would love to put it on today, but as you can see by the trees, it's really windy out, and it's right there. It's been raining all day, so dealing with that. So we will have to wait for nicer days, and then I will get the install for that. up. But up until that point, we'll just be sitting around waiting to get this wonderful Flowmaster piece, this Delta Force filter intake installed, and then I'll get to see what it sounds like, see everything, and see how I like it. So far everything seems to be really nice quality. I like it. So I'll have to get back to you on install later. Hopefully in the next coming days it'll get nicer outside and I'll be able to do an install for you. But until then, well, that's a couple days for me. It was like a split second for you. But I just can't get over this. Super happy. New parts in quarantine, absolutely awesome. Really looking forward to getting started on this really quick, hopefully like half-hour project. And hope you guys enjoy what's left to come. Awesome. So welcome to day 2 of the install here of this Flowmaster Delta Force air intake. This is actually the next day. I decided I couldn't wait for nicer days, so we're just gonna do it up and hopefully get it done here soon. Got a couple things to run, and hopefully she'll be running just a minute. I ain't gonna show you what it sounds like stock. Y'all should already know basically, but she'll sound. Actually, you know what? I'll show you what she sounds like stock. Where's that key? Alright. Start it up for you. There's a stock intake. What she sounds like. And over here for the exhaust. She sounds absolutely mean, especially when she's cold. That's just awesome, ain't it? That's just absolutely awesome. You know that fan belt noise? That's normal. Absolutely normal for this. Oh, alright, well, now that y'all hear that, we will, I guess, get to the install. Shouldn't take me too long, hopefully. I'll be able to get it done here shortly. Shouldn't be too hard. Doesn't look too hard, so I will be definitely, I'll set this thing up and we'll get to work. Just got this this factory part of the intake out, and would you look at that? So it sits like there, in there just like this, and that's all you see, right? Well, look at that. there's this piece right down here that just comes off of it on this year truck, on this 01, and it just comes straight down. I wonder how much power this thing right here robs, because air comes in here and it goes down in through and back up into here. So, and like, look at how like undesigned that is. This has like no purpose. This doesn't need to be here. It's just kind of like a show-off piece. Like, I'm really glad I'm changing this out. But there's that old part off. Put that off to the side. And that's what she looks like now. Just a minute. I want to see. There's this thing. Oh, would you look at that? There is no throttle weight on it. Right on the bottom. Let's see if I can get it here. Oh yeah. There's no throttle weight on it. That's what the have a tough time focusing. There, look at that. No throttle weight. Anyways, now all I gotta do is get this sensor out and then get out this box, a couple more things, and we're good to go. So I'll get back at it. Awesome. Well, sorry about that. Camera died about a third of the way through that. It took me a little bit longer than I would have liked to actually do this install, but there she is. All of her glory. Look at that. She's just freaking sweet. That red filter is awesome. It really goes with the whole truck. I think I might have messed this clamp up a bit. I don't know. I'll focus there. You can see the head of that is kind of inside. It's kind of inside there. That's not where it's supposed to be, but it's tight. I haven't started it yet, so I guess all we have now to do is start it and see what she sounds like and find a good place to put that sticker. Check, make sure I don't really feel any suction leaks anywhere. Seem to be good, just listen to that. Appears to be running good. Back over here at idle. A little bit change in exhaust note I can hear to my ears. It's a little bit more drummy now. Yeah, it's a little bit more drummy. So let's see what she sounds like. Woo! She sounds absolutely awesome. Can't wait to go take her out for a test drive. But yeah, that includes the install of that beautiful Flowmaster intake. Super happy I purchased this upgrade. Turned out wonderful. Can't wait to take her for a drive. Probably gonna do that here soon. See what she's like. And so far it was super simple install. Just a couple hose clamps here and there. Had to take out the old one, which is just down over there. For focus. Super restricted, but it's super nice, super easy. Seems to be running fine, so hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you liked watching that as much as I did making it. It's a bunch of fun. I'm sorry I couldn't get it all, the whole install for you. I was a little bit sad that I couldn't do that. I would have liked to have been able to get a full install for you guys, but I wasn't. Sadly, the camera died. Should have charged it, but I didn't. That's on me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, if you like this kind of content, like and comment, and see what you'd like to see me do for this next. Not quite sure. I know a rough route where I want to take this, but super happy to be able to do this today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you enjoy it and want to see more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.